Hi, this is Lydia Ford from Quincy, and this is the Email Edit. It's a series where I'll be taking some emails I've received in my inbox and just try and improve the design. Design is, of course, subjective. All of these suggestions are based only on my personal style and experience. They're all emails that I already like. I just think I could maybe do with a few tweaks, and I thought it was a good way to show you how I design. So I've set up a few rules for this. The first rule is it must be emails I like. No awful emails that are easy to improve. I have to keep as much of the current content as possible, and I'm only giving myself 30 minutes to do each one. So the goals of this overall is, to highlight email design principles, allow for better UX, and to highlight design changes that could improve revenue for your business. So the first one we're going to do today is a brand called Hello Clean, who make shower filters, water filters. This is the email I received on the left. I think it looks cool. I believe it was for Black Friday. One thing I didn't like that they did is they sent me this exact same email 3 times, I think, the week of Black Friday. Didn't change anything. They could have changed a picture or the text or something, but it is what it is. So the first thing I was looking at is this, can't see this email, view it in your browser, that Klaviyo puts in automatically. I don't like this personally. I don't think many people use it. If the email's not loading, then you probably have an issue with your images and how big they are. I also don't like how the logo is not above the content. I like to see that a bit more clearly. I thought this was cool. Sizing is a little bit big maybe. And also this background is quite dark. Here we go, nice big offer, and then our huge CTA. So you'll see what I did is started removing the view in your browser. I just made the logo stand alone by itself a little bit better. I think it's easier to read that way. I changed the black from like a true black to more of like a charcoal. This is generally just kind of easier on the eyes. A true black can be difficult to read. There's a lot of high contrast, so this is generally easier. I also just made this Sail Hello Clean slightly smaller, and kept image, kept it 30% off everything. This text in the original is an image. I think this could easily be done with live text in Klaviyo instead, so that's what I've done. I've also gotten rid of this, it's not an orphan, but whatever the term is for this, like one word on an extra line. I got rid of that, and this is now live text. And then also their button was an image as well, which I would really not recommend unless you have to do it. It's much better to use a real Klaviyo button, so that's what I've done. They look pretty similar. Mine is just a little bit smaller. And I think it's more balanced compared to what's going on here. Also in the footer, I just tidied up a little bit. I'm always designing with mobile in mind, and in mobile these will stack. So I thought, why not just go ahead and stack them here? I didn't see a need to add the email icon there, and I also just changed icons to ones that I personally think look a little bit better. And that is the difference. It's just a little bit cleaner. It was already a great email, but this is what I would do to improve it. That is the first email. The next episode will also be 5 minutes long of me and my podcast mic. So thanks very much for watching.